Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult your physician. In our last video, we took a big picture tour of your incredible immune system. We saw it has different teams working together. Today, we're going deep and meeting those teams up close. We'll break down the critical difference between your fast general forces, your innate immunity, and your slow, precise elite troops, your adaptive immunity. Let's get started. When a germ invades your body, it's like a hostile force entering your territory. Your immune system doesn't just have one army, it has two completely different defense teams that work together. Think of them as your rapid response team and your elite special forces. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're exploring the amazing partnership between your innate and adaptive immune systems. First, let's meet your innate immune system, the rapid response team. This is your first line of defense, and it's always on patrol. The key thing to remember, they're fast but general. They attack any invader in the same way. This team includes your physical barriers like skin, patrolling cells called macrophages that eat invaders, and the inflammatory response that causes swelling and redness. Here's what makes your rapid response team special. They're present from birth, they respond within minutes to hours, and they attack all germs in the same general way. They're like the infantry soldiers who are always on duty, ready to confront any threat immediately. Now, let's meet your adaptive immune system, the elite special forces. If the rapid response team can't handle the threat, they call in these experts. The key difference, they're slow but specific. They take time to study the specific germ and create custom-made weapons. This team includes B cells that make targeted antibodies and T cells that destroy infected cells. Your special forces have unique abilities. They develop after birth as you're exposed to germs. They take days to weeks to respond the first time, and they create memory. If the same germ attacks again, they respond incredibly fast and strong. This is the principle behind vaccines. Here's the beautiful part. These two systems work together seamlessly. The innate system holds the line while calling for backup. It presents pieces of the germ to the adaptive system like evidence. The adaptive system then studies this evidence and deploys its targeted weapons. Meanwhile, the innate system continues its general attack. Let's see this in action with a common cold virus. First, your innate system tries to flush it out with mucus and attack it with general forces. If the virus persists, over several days, your adaptive system creates antibodies specifically for that cold virus, clearing the infection. And now you have memory cells ready to stop that exact virus if it returns. So to recap, your innate immunity is the fast general rapid response team that's always on duty. Your adaptive immunity is the slow, specific special forces that creates custom weapons and lifelong memory. Together, they form an incredible defense partnership that protects you throughout your life. Understanding how your immune system works helps you appreciate why things like vaccines are so effective. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look at your body's defenses, hit the subscribe button and share this video with someone who'd find it helpful. This is the Health Sketchpad, helping you understand your health, one drawing at a time.